Hey follow, this is your boy Corey and I'm here with a new video. So attention in that. Well, as you can see, there are in the last video I get stuff. So, well, as you can see, there are good of a weapon and everything. How can I have I just started. Actually, I need a guide. So, does anyone know how to properly play this and what I should do? Please leave comment. Now let's go to Ember, boys. Well, I'm going for Ember, but I remember that there is a quest or something like that. So I was trying to complete it. Hello, what's up? Come on. It's not here though. Yeah, how am I supposed to complete this? Hello, Ember.
Hey, Traveler! I've been looking for you everywhere. How's that wind glider I gave you last time? Seems like it's really growing on you. But then again, you don't have a gliding license, do you?
A gliding license? What?
Isn't it obvious? You gotta have a gliding license to legally glide in Mondstadt.
Well, I'm gliding at legal.
Oh,
So I'm.
we've been gliding for ages now. This is the first we've heard about it.
Yup, girl, tell her.
Yeah, you've been gliding all over the place. Everyone's noticed.
So, you came looking for us because you want to give us a gliding license?
No way! The Knights of Favonius have strict rules. You need to pass an exam, and only then will the Knights issue your license. Today, I'm here as an examiner to oversee your... I gave you your wing glider, so this is my responsibility. At least that's what...
An exam? What a pain in the butt. Then again, since Amber is the...
I'm sure you'll glide through it. I mean, the whole city saw how well you flew the day that Storm Terror attacked, so I'm sure... But we do need to respect the rules and glide properly. Here, take this gliding manual. No need to memorize it. Just be familiar with everything in there. For example, only one person per wing glider. No carrying anything over the set weight limit. No taking off using an Animo slime, and so... Anyway, be sure to read it, okay? I had to read...
Wow, that's a big old book.
Like shit, I'm gonna read
Paimon
it.
thinks...
Great. Come find me when you're done. I'll be at Windrise.
The Knights of Favonius gliding...
When the first wisp of wind brushed across the land, birds that yearned for the sky had wings, but no way to fly. They asked the animal god, "How can we reach the heavens?" To which the animal god replied, "You have yet to find that which is most important." As the god spoke, the wind thrust the seeds of a dandelion high into the sky. The birds thrust out their wings, but the breeze was all too mild, leaving them to stumble across the earth. So they went to the gorge, where the wind showed off its wild and incomparable strength. They threw themselves off the cliff and flapped their wings amongst the howling winds until they were able to fly freely in the sky. To the animal god they went to gleefully say, "We understand now. All we needed was a stronger wind to fly." In reply, the animal god said, "What you lacked was not wind, but courage. It is courage that has allowed you to become the first flying birds of this world."
That's a cool story. But is the Knight's gliding manual... Huh. Anyway, let's go find Amber.
So the animal god was actually a guy who was talking to us. Right? Oh, cool.